Okay, I just pulled up to the title company because you know what? We're closing another property, and I swear it feels like we're closing a property every day, but I mean, it's not quite like that. But yeah, guys, this is it right here. This is the real estate game. It is back in full effect, and here's the pictures of the property right here on the screen, as you can see. It's a pretty nice house. It's on the northwest side of Indianapolis, Indiana, and we picked this house up for, I want to say 95. It's coming back at about 220. We're gonna put about, oh man, I had to look at the closing statement to see how much money they gave us to do this, but I'm thinking it is around $40,000 or $50,000 that we have to invest into this property. And here we are at Eagle Land Title right here. We're about to go in here and close. Hello, hi. And these are the wonderful people at the title company. Okay, so it's not much, but it's nice to leave the title company with a check of some sort. Yep, just $145.11. It's not nothing to brag about. You know, don't spend it all in one spot, but you know, hey, something beats nothing. Oatmeal beats no meal is what I always say. Of course, this is me purchasing a house. We overpaid by a little bit, by $145.11. Today is November 1st. It's November 1st that we picked this property up. We had to backdate everything to October 31st, but you know, that's okay. I don't know if this check right here even says, actually it's dated for the 1st as well. But yep, guys, the real estate is definitely the way to go. And you know, we're having that event on November 16th and 17th right here in Indianapolis. And if you have not already checked out the website, it is www.realteambootcamp.com. Check us out, give us a call, and hey, come to the event. Find out what it's all about, and maybe you could be at the closing table just like I was today. And of course, I have a couple more closings coming up here real soon, but maybe it could be you. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.